Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm very excited to share with you 4 fantastic techniques from a skillful and talented plumber. These techniques are simple yet effective, and many people are unaware of them. Whether you are a beginner or have little to no experience with plumbing systems, these tips will help you confidently address common plumbing issues. In the first technique, I will demonstrate how to remove tiles from the wall without causing damage to either the tiles themselves or the wall. All you need to accomplish this task is the skillful assistance of a heat gun. With just a few simple steps, the tiles can be removed perfectly without any breakage whatsoever. The high heat from the heat gun will cause the mortar to expand, loosening the bond between the tiles and the wall. If you don't believe, give it a try and let me know the result. In the second technique, as you can see, the hot and cold faucets have serious water leakage after prolonged use. If it were you, what would you do? Would you immediately buy a new one to replace it? However, for someone with a passionate DIY spirit like me, I would consider this as a challenge and decide to take it apart and try to repair it instead. So I'll refrain from buying a new one and attempt to fix it. You all can follow along as I transform this faucet into something good as new. This hot and cold faucet is too old, but the metal casing is still solid and intact. We just need to remove the damaged parts inside. Intelligent individuals always know how to find ways to reduce unnecessary steps in every task. For me, using fire is always the quickest way to destroy everything. Next, we will proceed to clean this metal part. Surely you are familiar with the excellent cleaning power of the baking soda and lemon mixture, right? Let's put it to the test in this situation. Join me to witness its effectiveness once again. After 1 hour, we can clearly see that thanks to the mixture, our components have gradually returned to their original appearance. Rinse again with vinegar and water to make sure that all the dirt is completely removed. Now we just need to add one very small component available in stores, called a washer. Put them back together, and you now have a hot and cold faucet that looks brand new. Absolutely, the result is truly fantastic, isn't it? In the third technique, we will discuss the handheld paint sprayer. There is an undeniable truth about this tool, and that is its convenience. However, during its usage, I also realize one significant inconvenience, which is the need to clean the sprayer thoroughly every time I want to switch from one paint color to another. For example, after using yellow paint, if I want to switch to using blue paint, I have to take the time to clean the device thoroughly. It can be quite time-consuming. Therefore, I came up with an idea on how to switch from one paint color to another instantly. As you can see, what I need to turn that idea into reality is some Coca-Cola bottles. They act as paint containers. However, the Coca-Cola bottle opening is quite small, so I need to attach the bottle caps to the paint sprayer cap using glue and screws. quickly clean the paint colors. I'll have 1 or 2 empty Coca-Cola bottles filled with thinner. As we know, thinner is effective in removing paint. Now let's observe how effective this idea is. As you can see, the process of changing paint colors is no longer cumbersome and time-consuming. The effectiveness of cleaning the paint through the thinner is also excellent. I am currently testing this by using a Coca-Cola bottle filled with water. And we can see that the water remains entirely free from any paint mixture. In a rating scale of 100%, how would you evaluate this idea? Let me know! After a few years of use, the water pipes have accumulated a lot of dirt and sediment, so we need to clean them to continue using them. However, cleaning a small-nose water pipe like this can be quite challenging. But our experienced plumber will handle it for you. Still utilizing the Coca-Cola bottle caps, can you guess what our skilled plumber will do? Let's find out. It's incredibly simple. I just create a tool that can harness the water suction to remove all the dirt and sediment. After 30 minutes, the water pipe has become clean and shiny. This may be a quick and cost-free way to clean the pipe. If you have any other methods, feel free to share your opinions in the comments section. Now, I sincerely thank you all for your attention. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to watch the latest exciting videos. See you in the next time.